Hello and welcome to Totally Easy Systems. You can pause this video at any time to read the on-screen instructions. The introduction sheet. There's a list of things here this program can do. Also here is a 24-hour helpline telephone number. The instruction sheet is one sheet. There's not much to know about this program. It's self-explanatory. It's quite easy to learn. The overview page has 1 to 9 races. You can have more added if you wish at a small cost. Here you see our race names. You can edit these just by clicking in and deleting. And by doing so you will delete them and edit them on their respective race pages. Also here the Totally Easy is the name on the heading of the tickets that are printed. You can edit this with your own name quite easily, the same way, just deleting and adding your own. So race 1. This is the race 1 sheet. As you can see here is the club dash. As I said, editing back in the overview sheet will change the club dash to what you want, your own name. There are 3 boxes on this page, 3 main boxes. This one here is the single bet tickets, 1 to 8 runners. Down here we have the dual forecast bet box. You can edit this by placing the mouse in the box until it goes a white cross. Double click and edit the number to suit the client's choice. It's as simple as that. 6 and 2, click off the box and then print here by pressing once. It will print that ticket. It will add 1 dual forecast bet here so that you know how many you've sold as the race goes through. And there you are, the ticket is printed, it's added 1 here. The next customer comes up, you just double click in here and re-edit the customer's numbers to suit. Click off and press. Now we have 2 here, the ticket is printed, and it's as simple as that. It's exactly the same here with the TriCast bet. You just edit the numbers by clicking in the box. You double click till it goes white and then edit. Click off the box and press. You'll see here it goes to 1. Let's just change this middle number in this case to 6 and the last one to 3. Again, watch here. Ticket is printed and another one is added. Here, single bets are registered, and you'll see here also that runner 1, when pressed, will give a 1 here and a 1 here. If another ticket for runner 1 is pressed, you'll see here it goes up and goes up, and each time you press it it's printing a ticket as quick as that. And here if we press 2, likewise we get 1. Now we have 6 tickets printed for runner 1 and 1 for runner 2. We have 2 for the dual forecast and 2 for the TriCast. So let's do another TriCast. Same number, 463. Total of 12 bets. And that is all there is to it. The race variables page, it keeps a record here of all of those tickets sold. So you could look back and see how many times runner 1 in race 1 has had bets placed on it, 6 in this case. And down here it goes to 1 to 9 races. More to be added if you wish. If you want to reset this, you just press this and you'll see all these numbers will reset back. You don't have to, you can leave this to run. It's entirely up to you. Here in the bookies ledger, it keeps a record here of 22,950 single bet tickets. So here you have ticket number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And you just click in this box and then you just move with the arrow keys on your keyboard and you can go right the way along to look at all the tickets wherever they may be. And as you go down you'll see likewise I use a scroll mouse in this case. You can see here dual forecast tickets that we sold. 6 and 2 was the selection, must be in this order to win. 7 and 4, tickets 1 and 2. Tricast tickets 484 must be in this order to win. 468 and 463. 463, sorry, and 463. And again here, you can reset all this just by pressing this, and it will take all those tickets out. We suggest you do this after the end of the race meeting, or at least before the next meeting, so that you don't have too many tickets to search through should somebody lose one, or get one soaked in beer, or whatever the case that you need to look to see whether that person did actually buy a ticket. So going back to race 1 now, to reset here you'll see this reset to 0 and this reset, and if any of the other tickets have been printed and sold, they would also reset. Just pressing here resets everything back to 0 in the black box. Pressing here sets everything back here. Pressing here will set everything back to 0 here and here. Up here on the right hand side, just one more thing to tell you about. You can print your business card from this page by pressing the above button. Our business card is in there at the moment. You see the yellow box inside the green. Keep whatever you want in here, so you could make your telephone number longer by going up. As long as it stays within that yellow box, it will print on a ticket. You can edit this by double clicking in here. Totally easy at the moment, and Harry DeRoba, our telephone number. pigracenight.co.uk is our website, and our email address is totallyeasy@yahoo.com. You just double click in any of those and edit for your own details, and then you click off and press, and as simple as that, there it is printed. It prints that ticket out in 3 seconds flat if a customer asks for your details. So we go back here now to, well, I just must tell you there is 9 races on here, and if we just flick through them, you see here that race 2 is Seaside Sprint, race 3 is the Happy Sprint, race 4 is the Fools and Horses Gallop, race 5 is the Norwich Trots, the Hot Rod Stakes, Chevy's Chase, the Final Furlong, and the auction race. That basically is all there is to know about this program. I hope you've enjoyed the short demonstration. Thank you.